After 50, your body changes fast, but the right food can slow aging, boost energy, and protect your heart. Metabolism slows, bones weaken, and heart risk increases after 50. Most people keep eating like they're 30, and that's the mistake. Your diet must now protect your heart, bones, and daily energy. Let's start with heart-protecting foods. Oats lower cholesterol and protect arteries. Extra virgin olive oil reduces heart inflammation. Walnuts are packed with heart-friendly omega-3s. Berries protect blood vessels and reduce aging damage. Now, let's strengthen your bones. Milk and yogurt provide calcium for strong bones. Spinach and kale support bone density. Sesame seeds are small but powerful for bones. Vitamin D helps calcium absorb better. Energy loss is common after 50, but food can fix it. Eggs provide complete protein for muscles. Lentils keep blood sugar stable and energy high. Bananas give instant energy and muscle support. Too much sugar damages your heart and bones. Excess salt raises blood pressure. Fried foods increase inflammation. Smaller meals improve digestion after 50. Eating early helps better sleep and weight control. Walking boosts heart health naturally. Good sleep improves hormone balance. Stress control protects your heart. Include protein in every meal. Fiber improves digestion and cholesterol. Healthy fats protect your brain and heart. Start your day with protein and fiber. Keep lunch balanced and light. Dinner should be simple and early. Consistency matters more than perfection. Good food means longer, stronger life. Small changes create big results. Your body listens to what you eat. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching Health Hub.